Hello fellow gardeners, Kevin here from Epic Gardening. Today we're learning how to grow fresh salad greens indoors, no soil, no backyard needed. We'll use hydroponics, a simple method that lets you harvest crisp lettuce right from your kitchen. Even if you've never grown a plant, this is for you. I'll guide you step by step, making it easy and fun. Hydroponics might sound complicated, but it's really just growing plants in water with nutrients. You'll have healthy, delicious greens year-round, regardless of the weather. Homegrown salads taste better and are more nutritious than store-bought. Plus, you know exactly what's in your food. No chemicals, just pure flavor. Watching seeds turn into leafy greens is rewarding and connects you to your meals. Ready to start your own indoor garden? Let's set up your first hydroponic system together. By the end, you'll be harvesting the freshest salads you've ever tasted. Let's get started and turn a corner of your home into a green oasis. So what is hydroponics? Simply put, it's growing plants in water instead of soil. We add special nutrients to the water, so plant roots get everything they need directly. This helps greens like lettuce and spinach grow up to twice as fast as in soil. You can set up a hydroponic garden anywhere, on a counter, shelf, or even in a closet with a grow light. No yard? No problem. No soil means fewer pests and diseases, so your plants stay healthy without chemicals. Hydroponics also uses up to 90% less water than traditional gardening, thanks to its closed system. The water recirculates so nothing is wasted. It's efficient, sustainable, and perfect for anyone wanting fresh food at home. With hydroponics, you can enjoy gardening all year no matter where you live. Let's see what you'll need to get started. To start, gather a few basic supplies. You'll need a dark plastic storage tub, 10-20 liters, with a lid to block light and prevent algae. Net pots, small cups with holes, hold your plants and let roots reach the water. For the growing medium, use rock wool cubes or clay pebbles to support seeds and roots. Buy hydroponic nutrients. These are essential for healthy growth. Choose fast-growing lettuce seeds, like black seed Simpson or oak leaf. Use a drill or sharp knife to cut holes in the lid for your net pots. An air pump and air stone, like for aquariums, add oxygen to the water, helping roots thrive. These aren't required, but they boost growth. That's it. Simple, affordable, and perfect for beginners. Let's put it all together. Time to set up. Cut holes in your tub lid for the net pots, spacing them out for plant growth. Fill the tub with water, leaving a few inches at the top. Add hydroponic nutrients. Follow the instructions for the right amount. Mix well, and if you have an air stone, turn it on. Soak rock wool cubes in water for 15 minutes, then place 1-2 seeds in each cube. Put each cube into a net pot, then insert the pots into the lid holes so the cubes just touch the water. Place the lid on the tub. For light, use a sunny window, 6+ hours day, or better yet, an LED grow light a few inches above the plants. Set the light on a timer for 14-16 hours daily. That's it. Your hydroponic garden is ready. In just a few weeks, you'll see your greens start to grow. Keep the setup simple and enjoy the process. Now let's talk about caring for your plants. In a few days, you'll see tiny sprouts emerging from the rock wool. As roots grow into the water, check the water level every few days and top up with fresh water as needed. Change the nutrient solution every 2 weeks for best results. Keep your grow light a few inches above the plants, raising it as they grow. In 3-4 weeks, start harvesting by picking outer leaves. Your plants will keep producing. Homegrown greens are fresher and tastier than anything from the store. Hydroponics makes it easy to grow healthy food even in small spaces. You're giving your plants exactly what they need for fast, healthy growth. Don't be afraid to start small. Every harvest is a win. For more tips, visit us at Decoded. Thanks for joining me. Happy growing. Enjoy your fresh, homegrown salads.